Good morning, students. Today again we are back with play with patterns. Hope you are all of good health. In the previous class of Show Me, you have used previous alphabet to code a message. Now we will use next alphabet or cursive alphabet to code the words secret message. Now before doing that, to write down all the letters of the English alphabets from A to Z in this manner on the right side of your exercise notebook or wherever you are noting them. Next, we come to the questions that we need to code using next or successive alphabet. Now, here the first question is I like to sing. So, here you need to code it using successive or next alphabet. If we take a look at this, so the next or successive alphabet of I is J, the next alphabet of L is K, the next alphabet again of I is J, the next alphabet of K is L, the next alphabet to E is F. So in this manner we have to do them. Similarly, for T the next alphabet is U, for the next alphabet of O is P, the next alphabet to S is T, the next alphabet to I is J, the next alphabet to N is O, and then finally the next alphabet to G is H. In order to code I like to sing, we got J, K, J, L, F, U, P, T, J, O, H. So why do we need to code them? See, obviously you will not like anybody to know whatever you want to share among your friends or your relatives. So these types of codings were primarily used. Now coding is also used in defense or warfare, which we will be doing also in very next form. Now next question is I love to play cricket. So what you have to do, you have to take a look at the alphabet chart and then you have to arrange them. See that for I we will use J, for L K, for O P, for alphabet V we will use W, for letter E we will use F, for alphabet T we will use U, for alphabet O we will use P, for alphabet P we will use Q, for alphabet L M, A, B, for alphabet Y we will use alphabet Z, for alphabet C we will use alphabet D, for alphabet R alphabet S, for alphabet I we will use alphabet J, for alphabet C we will use alphabet D, for K we will use L, for E we will use F, and finally for T we will use U. So the statement I love to play cricket will become like this: J K P W F U P Q M B Z D S J D L F U. You have to maintain some gap between each of the words so that they do not get jumbled up. Now next part we come is coding. Here we will use number coding. So before moving into these types of sums, what we have to do, we have to prepare a chart like this. Students, please take a look at this chart. Here corresponding to each alphabet we have given a serial number. As we get them in the English alphabet series, we have given them a serial number. Suppose 1 for A, 2 for B, 3 for C, continuing we get 24 for X, 25 for Y, and finally 26 for Z. Now if we come here, suppose we have to code I love gardening, this word. So what we need to do? First of all, we have to prepare a table like this. Why is the necessity of this table? If you prepare a table like this, then see that for some of the alphabets 2-digit numbers are also present. So in order to put them according to their own alphabets, the numbers should be arranged in this type of tabular form. So the first question is I love gardening. See, for I we have put 9, for L we have put 12, for O 15, for V 22, for E 5, for gardening G 7, for A 1, for R 18, for D 4, for E 5, for N 14, for I 9, for N 14 and for G 7. Take a close look at it. Now how we are getting that? If you come here, you see that I stands for 9, L stands for 12, O stands for 15, V stands for 22, E stands for 5. So if we take the first two letters words of the secret message, we see that according to our exercise we can get this matching from the table. Similarly, for I like reading, we will code them like this. For I will put 9, for L will put 12, for I will put 9 again, for K 11, for E 5, for R 18, for E again we will put 5, for A 1, for D 4, for E 9, for N 14 and finally for G 7. So basically these types of number codings we will be doing, and on the next day we will be doing decoding. From numbers we will move to alphabets. Thank you.